Island Max here again. Today is March 10, 2026, and we're in the Irwin area, just outside where they're constructing Jamaica's longest bridge, and we're heading straight into Montego Bay, straight into the town center. Thank you so much for tuning in. Listen, this will be a journey. I know this will bring back memories for a lot of persons who are acquainted with this area. Look at the conditions of the road though. So just behind us, that's where they're building the Montego Bay bypass, or the Montego Bay perimeter road. We're heading straight into Montego Bay. It's a beautiful morning. Again, if it's your first time here, tap that subscribe button, like the video, as we show you what's going on in Jamaica on a daily basis, especially here in Western Jamaica. We have been all over. We have been in Hanover, Kingston, Montego Bay, Trelawney, Falmouth, St. Anne, Ocho Rios, everywhere we have been. Ensure you're locked in to the Island Max family. So we are on the Irwin Main Road. We're going to get some gas as we head into the town center. Wow, slow down for these potholes. Again, a lot of these damages have been amplified by the hurricane a few months ago. So work is yet to be done on these roads. Remember when all of this area was just bush, and look on the left, you can see a section there of the bypass. There are some tractors over there, some trucks as well. Telling you, St. James and Montego Bay has come a long way. It's just the road. We just can't get the roads right. That is one of the major issues in these areas. So you could say this is almost rural Jamaica, slowly being built out. It will no longer be rural. This is the Portobello Heights area. If we turn right, that would have carried us to Portobello Heights. Tropical Gardens is on the left. And there's a gas station here. Yes, we're going to be stopping at the gas station to full up. Nice. So the gas station is on the left. Wow, this is a section of the bypass here coming into view. So all of this, you can no longer categorize these areas as being rural. Look at the amount of development here. Alright, so this is the gas station. And there's the Pump and Munch supermarket here as well. Just waiting for them to indicate where I should go. Looks like they want me right here. They're not paying me any mind. Alright, let me see if I can position myself here to get the gas. Hello. Alright, I want about 7,090. You can run the card? Run the card for me first, here. Derek. That's the name of that taxi driver, man. My brethren. Alright, so this is what the bypass looks like straight in front of us. I'm slowly getting some gas right now. Look at that. See the tractor way up there doing the digging out. See if you can zoom in a little bit more. Whoa. So while I'm getting my gas here, just showing you what the bypass looks like, man. See a truck there carrying some aggregates. A lot of work going on here. My friend, what do you call that area again? Portobello. See in Portobello. Okay. Alright. Alright, so we got the gas. So this is the Portobello region. You see persons take time setting up a little, see a welding shop right here. So the gas station we're leaving now is the Fesco gas station. You get a good deal on gas here. I paid $7,000 a while ago to full up. So how much US that is again? About 60 US. Or less than 60 US. Around that area. Alright, so taking our time. The vehicle behind me cannot wait. And these drivers here, you know, they press when they're coming around the corner, so you have to look out for them. Got deeper trucks here. A lot of the units that were here were flooded out during the hurricane. The Montego River came down, and telling you, all this area was flooded out during the catastrophe. Alright, there's a factory right here, a block factory right here on the left. Drivers behind me, man, are not taking their time. Yeah, the drivers behind there, listen, man, why don't they take the time on the road? Even when I slowed down a while ago, they have to be mashing their brakes. Can somebody tell me what's happening with these drivers on the sign Irwin Main Road? We're heading straight into Montego Bay. Straight into the town center. Paragon Brothers Hardware block makers are right here on the left, and there's a lovely river right here. Persons come here to chill out on the weekends as well. It's the same Montego River, but persons, you know, they look at this. Nobody wants to slow down. Let me take my time. Everybody is racing. What's the rush? Everybody is racing. Listen, in Jamaica, everybody is just, I'm telling you, it's one big rush on the road. And they're not going anywhere serious like that, you know. They're not late. They just see the road and decide to press. Alright, so we're in the Westgate area now. And here we are now, caught up in the Westgate traffic. Oh dear. Oh dear. Now we see why the Montego Bay bypass is very important. See what time it is now? It's about 8:45 a.m. March 10, 2026, 8:45 a.m. And this is what Westgate looks like with the traffic. Right now, I don't think I'll be able to make it onto Barnett Street. I'm not sure. Again, remember to subscribe to the channel, man. Like the videos, share the videos with a friend who are familiar with these parts. Very narrow. The drivers have converted this area into 3 lanes. 2 going down and 1 going up on the right. Yeah, they have converted it into 3 lanes, and I'm trying to tell this driver to give me space. So this is how we have to be converting the road to our suit in order to get through traffic. Alright, so to the right is Holy Trinity Church. There's a new car mart. Taxi man not waiting. I'm gonna cause an accident, you know. Alright, so see the car mart there on top of the hill. Kelly's Auto. Brand new car mart. Traffic slowly inching on. Again, let me know what you think about this whole traffic situation in Montego Bay. The bypass is coming very soon. They say September 2026, this year. If you're coming to Montego Bay, let me know which areas you plan to enjoy. Will you be going to Doctor's Cave, the Hip Strip? All of these beautiful areas. I will have to go in the right lane pretty soon. Should have gone already. Here we go. I have to ask for a blind. And it's a woman don't give blind, you know. So the police is down there conducting traffic. Everybody is trying to bore. Nobody wants to give a blind. And this is what we have to be contending with. Alright, let's go. Alright, so we are now heading to Barnett Street. Police directing traffic. Even though there's green light, we have to wait. So we are here now on Barnett Street. Slowly making our way along in this traffic, this morning traffic. Tasty Patty is on the left. Car Jar Auto is on the right. Let's go. And we're now approaching the clock area of Barnett Street. The clock, the area called the clock. Traffic moving a bit now. Much better. So this is clock. Cottage Road is on the right. Juicy Patties is here as well. And Barnett Street needs some repairs. Look at the condition of the road. Alright, so we pass the turn off for Charles Garden Market. We're still on Barnett Street. Again, let me know who's watching the video and where you're watching from. Colonel Avenue is on the right. Lots of Chinese supermarkets are in this area. Wow. Go ahead, sir. Don't want to drive through the market because they're doing some repairs on the road here. So I won't be turning on the left. I'm trying to get back on the Howard Cook Boulevard. Again, this is the Thrifty gas station right here. Very good rate for gas you get at the very good low price you get for gas here at Thrifty in Barnett Street. This is the Barnett Street police station on the right. Courts is on the left. The stoplights are still not working. So if you've been following, these stoplights have been out for the past 2 days now. The past 2 days they have been out. Alright, so the bus park is on the right. Mall is on the left. The bus park is on the left. The fire station on the left. Harbor Street is on the right, but we're going to exit Barnett Street now and go on to the Howard Cook Boulevard. A lot of parties being held now at Harbor City. Yeah, a We call it now Soul Sundays. And Sundays they have a party in the parking lot. So if you're in Montego Bay, you can check them out on a Sunday. At Pier 1 straight across the road. The traffic not too bad on this side, or have I spoken too early? Let's switch the lanes. A lot of work. River Bay Road is closed, so if you're in Montego Bay, don't go down that side. The Pop Lawrence Road is closed on a section of it. They are doing some fixing up there. Let's catch the green light. Good to go. So listen man, if you've been following our channel, if you're subscribed and locked in, it's like you know the entire Montego Bay. It's a service vehicle moving through traffic, police vehicle. And the traffic heading in town now is getting more intense and more intense. It's tough. Listen my man, September they say for the bypass, we can't wait. We're looking forward to that. September for the Montego Bay bypass to open. Alright, so this is the March 10 update on what's going on in Montego Bay. Stay subscribed. You send me a message. Let me know who's watching this video and where you're watching from. Keeping you updated on the conditions of Western Jamaica on a daily basis. Where else can you find content like this? Nowhere else. Ensure you're subscribed and locked in. Until then, my people, stay subscribed. We'll end it right here. Tap on the video you'll be seeing on your screen pretty soon. Leave a comment, subscribe. What a beautiful fire brigade truck. A lot of work being done in this area here in Catherine Hall. The police vehicle on the wrecker here. Oh, they're building a wall here on the left. The flag lady is ahead, directing traffic. Two flag ladies in this region. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until then, my people, see you in the next vlog. God bless.